If your entire value as a designer is based on how fast you can use Figma, then you're already unemployed. You just don't know it yet. We are entering into 2026. The era of pixel pusher has officially ended. The tools that we are using has become so advanced that gap between the junior designer and an AI agent has become thinner and thinner. But there is a good news. UX isn't dead. The coding UX is dead. The manual, repetitive, moving pixel by pixel job is gone. And in this video, I'm going to show you only 3 skills that you require to stay hired in 2026. For the last 5 years, companies hired Figma operatives. These were the people who took tickets from product managers, created screens for those tickets, and delivered it. And that was the job. But look at this, the Figma AI is now creating screens in 5 seconds, generating prototypes, and generating auto layout as well. If that was your job, then what you're getting paid for? This is tier 1, the commodity tier. If you stay here, you are competing with a software that is cheaper than you, that is faster than you, and that is smarter than you. And software actually never sleeps. So you have to move up. So how do you survive this? Skill number 1. You stop drawing pixels and starts building engines. In 2026, companies won't pay you for screens. They will pay you for systems. They want to know if they change their primary color in the JSON file, if it updates in their Android, iOS, and website too. I talked about this in my 100 days series. You can watch the video here. We took the raw data and mapped it to the variables. This is not designing, this is architecting. A robot can design a screen, but it cannot architect a scalable system that considers edge cases, accessibility, and developer handoffs. Be the architect and let AI be the bender. Skill number 2. And this one gets you 30 lakh to 90 lakh salary. You need to speak business, not just users. Most designers present their designs like, I changed this color to blue and it feels good. But the CEO doesn't care about your feelings. The 2026 designer simulates a business outcome. You run a synthetic user test like we did in our 100 days series to get data before you build it. And then you walk into the meeting and you can say that I changed this color to blue because our AI simulation predicts a 5% increase in click-through rate. That is not a design opinion, that is a business strategy, and that will make you fireproof. So here is the roadmap for next 12 months. Step 1. Stop treating AI like it's a cheat code. Treat it as your junior designer. Delegate the assets, delegate the content, delegate the layout. Step 2. Learn about the basic code, or at least how to talk to LLM about the code. The line between design and developer is blurring. Step 3. Focus on the human things. Empathy, strategy, facilitation. AI cannot run a workshop yet. The industry isn't dying, it's maturing. The lazy designers are being kicked out, and the strategic designers are being appreciated more than ever. I am documenting this entire transition on this channel. Currently, I am doing 100 days of AI-powered design series. We are building systems, automating workflows, and learning about the future, one day at a time. If you want to move from tier 1 to tier 2, start with this series, and I will see you in the next one.